Learn English to Hindi. Bring in.
लाना,
With funny Hindi verb forms. Welcome to Bring City. Hey, you're about to learn one super useful verb in Hindi, and we're going to make it weird enough to remember forever. If a dog can bring a sofa, you can learn this verb. Today's star is the English verb, bring, which in Hindi is.
लाना,
Imagine a dramatic movie scene. The hero runs in, hair flying, holding tea, books, snacks, and possibly a confused watermelon. Everyone shouts, at last. You remembered to.
लाना,
Everything. The core idea is movement toward someone or toward a place in focus. So,
लाना,
means bring, not take away. Its opposite is,
ले जाना,
meaning to take away. Keep that contrast in your mind.
लाना,
Brings things here, while
ले जाना,
takes things there. Your first magic word. Let's lock in the base form first. Say it with me like you're summoning missing homework from another dimension. The Hindi infinitive for bring is
लाना,
think, please bring the book.
कृपया किताब लाना,
I want to bring food.
मैं खाना लाना चाहता हूँ.
Yes, this is already useful for real life, especially if you are the only responsible person at a picnic. Can you bring water?
क्या तुम पानी लाना सकते हो?
And now imagine someone answering while dragging an entire bathtub. Excellent memory image. I bring, therefore I am helpful. Now let's make it personal. You are officially the person who arrives with useful things instead of excuses. I bring, is.
मैं लाता हूँ,
Say it like a proud delivery champion.
मैं लाता हूँ,
Example.
मैं मेज पर खाना लाता हूँ,
I bring food to the table. Example.
मैं अच्छी खबर लाता हूँ.
I bring good news. This is much better than bringing chaos, drama, or 3 broken umbrellas. Tiny memory trick.
मैं
Means I, and.
लाता हूँ,
Gives you, bring, for this form. So if you enter the room with snacks, just think.
मैं लाता हूँ,
You bring the cake, right? Time to point lovingly at another person and make them responsible. Language is power. You bring, is.
तुम लाते हो,
This is your friendly everyday, you. Example.
तुम हर दिन बैग लाते हो.
You bring the bag every day. Example.
जब तुम किताबें लाते हो, हम पढ़ सकते हैं.
When you bring books, we can study. Amazing. Education survives. So if your friend appears with pizza, notebooks, and suspicious confidence, you can remember.
तुम लाते हो,
He brings, she brings, even it brings. Now the plot thickens. Apparently everyone in Hindi is bringing something. He brings, is.
वो लाता है,
Example.
वो हर सुबह खाना लाता है.
He brings food every morning. She brings, is.
वो लाती है,
Example.
वो हर सुबह चाय लाती है.
She brings tea every morning. Notice the pattern.
लाता है,
For he, and.
लाती है.
For she. One vowel changes, and suddenly grammar has entered the room wearing formal shoes. It brings, is.
ये लाता है,
Example.
यह विचार आशा लाता है.
This idea brings hope. Or think poetically.
ये परिवार को खुशी लाता है.
It brings joy to the family. Very sweet. Slightly dramatic. Perfect. We bring and you all bring. Now we multiply the chaos. More people, more snacks, more verb forms. We bring, is.
हम लाते हैं,
Example.
हम पिकनिक में खाना लाते हैं.
We bring food to the picnic. You all bring, is.
तुम सब लाते हो,
Example.
तुम सब हर दिन किताबें लाते हो.
You all bring the books every day. If a whole group enters carrying 20 containers of food and only 1 spoon, your brain should yell.
तुम सब लाते हो,
Useful phrase. Strange image. Excellent combination. Notice how.
लाते हैं,
Appears with.
हम,
And.
लाते हो,
Appears with.
तुम,
And.
तुम सब.
They bring the grand finale. Last form in the parade. Yes, more people are bringing things. Hindi is basically one long delivery service today. They bring, is.
वे लाते हैं,
Say it.
वे लाते हैं.
Example.
वे पार्टी में खाना लाते हैं.
They bring food to the party. Example.
वे अच्छी खबर लाते हैं.
They bring good news. So if mysterious guests arrive with sweets, flowers, and exactly the charger you needed, just think.
वे लाते हैं.
Quick pattern drill. Let's do a fast and friendly drill. You listen, you repeat, and your brain quietly becomes impressive. Bring.
लाना.
I bring.
मैं लाता हूँ.
You bring.
तुम लाते हो.
He brings.
वो लाता है.
She brings.
वो लाती है.
It brings.
ये लाता है.
We bring.
हम लाते हैं.
You all bring.
तुम सब लाते हो.
They bring.
वे लाते हैं.
Mini dialogue at the most chaotic picnic ever. Now hear the forms in action. This picnic has grammar, snacks, and poor planning. A. Please.
लाना.
The book. B. Fine, but only if someone else brings water. A.
मैं लाता हूँ.
The plates. B. Great.
तुम लाते हो.
The cups, right? A. Yes, and Raj? B.
वो लाता है.
The snacks. A. And Mira? B.
वो लाती है.
The tea. Naturally, she is the hero of this story. A. What about that basket? B.
ये लाता है.
Joy. Also mangoes. Mostly mangoes. A. And us? B.
हम लाते हैं.
The blanket. A. And all of you? B.
तुम सब लाते हो.
Enough food for a small army. A. Who are those people over there? B.
वे लाते हैं.
Dessert. Suddenly, everyone forgives everyone. Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's see what stuck. No pressure. Okay, tiny pressure. But the fun kind. What is the Hindi word for bring?
लाना.
How do you say, I bring?
मैं लाता हूँ.
How do you say, you bring?
तुम लाते हो.
How do you say, he brings?
वो लाता है.
How do you say, she brings?
वो लाती है.
How do you say, it brings?
ये लाता है.
How do you say, we bring?
हम लाते हैं.
How do you say, you all bring?
तुम सब लाते हो.
How do you say, they bring?
वे लाते हैं.
Goodbye, grammar delivery hero. You did it. You showed up, you listened, and unlike our imaginary picnic guests, you were actually prepared. Today you learned bring as
लाना.
and the key forms.
मैं लाता हूँ. तुम लाते हो. वो लाता है. वो लाती है. ये लाता है. हम लाते हैं. तुम सब लाते हो.
And
वे लाते हैं.
thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the forms tomorrow, and try using them in your own simple Hindi sentences. You're doing great, and every little bit of practice brings progress.